Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually split in your Google Play. This is basically a super simple trick that you should know when you are splitting some bills with your friends and family using Google Pay. For that, first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Google Pay over here. Once we have done so, we're gonna go to our home screen like that first, and to do so you actually have to create a group. For that purpose, you're gonna go tap on this create a group option, search a person, you can tap on it, tap on this add a person, you're gonna enter your name, group name. Let's say we have done it as a bill. Once the group is created, you can see it's split and expenses, gonna show option below. If you tap on that, you're gonna go ahead and enter yourself an amount. Let's say it's 458. Tap on this next. It's gonna split the same amount for you. You can tap on the send request, it will be sent to a friend of yours, and you can even send the reminder for them to remind for you to share that money back. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.